Hello everyone, and today we are going to discuss about creating an animated character in Android and what are the options we have, and we're gonna explore two of the options together also. And let me just quickly show you guys what will be the result. So we are going to actually implement such animation. So as you can see, this is I call this character Tommy, and Tommy can be sad, can be surprised, can smile. It can also get bigger, and also it is breathing, it's blinking. So how we can do this? What are the options? Let's go and explore. So first of all, we're gonna go through the first option, which is Lottie animation. Then we are going to discuss about Lottie Creator and AI. Then after it's gonna be about Jetpack Compose Canvas, which is implementing the whole thing with the compose animation, right? So for the first option, Lottie animations, most of you guys I guess already know what is this. Lottie is an open source animation library developed by Airbnb that renders Adobe After Effects animations in real time. It parses animations exported as JSON files and renders from them natively. So also you can use it for the web, Android, and iOS. It is very lightweight and it is very good way to add animation to your files. As you can see, if I quickly go here, you see some cool animations here. Let's go back. So challenges with Lottie that I faced was, first of all, Adobe After Effects you needed to have. It is very expensive, it is not cheap, and if you buy even, so it has a steep learning curve. For at least for me, it was very difficult. I tried. For simple animations I can create, it is not that difficult, but at the same time, for my character having different emotions wasn't easy. So after trying and failing, I was looking for some other options. So I found that there is a new tool. The name is Lottie Creator, and they call it also a game changer. So no After Effects, it is free, and same export, JSON export you can have with this, and the UI is very simple and easy. What we are going to do now is we are going to explore how it is and how we can use this thing. So if I play, there is no animation here. Let me remove myself first because we need this part. We have the layers here, as you can see. So you can add animations manually, and After Effects is also the same, almost the same, but here it is much more simpler, and it is web-based, so you can easily, without any license, any price, you can use it. I didn't see any price plan or anything like that. It just works as it is. So I believe there will be no future changes also to this. So for example, I want to move the mouth. So we come here and we click on position, we add the position, we move this guy, we click back again, we move it down, right? Then we move this to 3 seconds, and we move it here again. So if I play, you see the mouth is moving. Just example, you don't need to move your mouth or the character's mouth like this. So let's revert the changes. And right now what I'm going to show you guys is about this motion copilot you can have here. You choose the part that you want to add the animation. This is a very cool tool that you can have, motion copilot. I have the prompt here. I want to move the or animate the body or face in a way that looks like that it is breathing, right? I just add this here, then I send it. You can have the preview, not very useful preview, I would say. Then we can click here. The animation is added to the layer that we wanted, and if I click on play, you see that it is breathing with almost zero effort. This is very useful. I tried to use all these AI thingy and add all the emotions that I have to my character. Since I had too many different emotions, and also this tool is in a beta version, I faced a couple of bugs which wasn't really easy to bypass. Or for example, it just stops working without any reason. So let me go to here. So as I was mentioning, so this is still in experimental beta phase and limited simple animation we can have, and unexpected bugs really can interrupt the, for example, one of the bugs that I faced was when I wanted to save the changes, the animation that I have added. So the changes that I made, it wasn't there. Like, I was so sad because of that, because it took me a long time. I added the animations and suddenly I saw that it is not saved somehow. I guess all these gonna be fixed later on, but still I don't recommend this tool. Only maybe for very simple animations. You can just create it here in the Figma and import it here, add a very simple animation, then use it in your app. That would be nice. Other than that, it would be very difficult to have a little bit more advanced animations. Let's go to the next part. The second options that I don't think that we don't have more time to discuss this one. This is about Jetpack Compose Canvas, how we can implement this programmatically in a way that we want. So this is what we are going to discuss later in the next video, and it's gonna be, I already have the code, as you can see. I have implemented, so in no time I'm gonna publish this one also. Thank you so much for watching. Till the next time. Ciao.